So someone asked me before about doing the third brake light on a Hummer H3. So we're gonna do that today. Just a quick, easy tutorial. It's really not as hard as it seems. A lot of people seem to overthink it, and that's probably where you're going wrong. Starters, you're gonna take off this plastic piece. This is the cover to your jack. Then we're actually gonna pull the jack off just because it gives you a little extra room to get in there. All right, so once you have your jack out, you've got all the room to work with here. One of the things you are going to want to take note. All right, so I showed you where those pop pins are. Those are all right in here. Yeah, I keep flares and stuff in my truck, guys, because you never know what you're going to get into. So you're actually going to come over here to the side. You're going to want to pop that loose. You'll actually hear it pop. We're going to just use a simple screwdriver like we've done for everything else. And you go boop. And that's just enough so that way there's not tension on these. Just a simple pop. You can hear them popping and releasing as we go. See, now you'll see all of these guys are pretty loose. You want to be semi-gentle on them, but not too gentle, because if you're too gentle on these, then they're just not going to come out. But at the same time, you don't want to break those, because that's what holds your back panel on. You're going to go nice and easy around this whole thing, because all of those have little plastic pins and your third brake light's attached up here. So this one's been replaced. I actually had water intrusion on the old one that I had, and we were able to repair it here, but not all of them would do that. To install, it's going to be the same thing, just in reverse. So when putting these panels back on, one thing I want you guys to take note of is there's actually little set pins on the corners here. So you'll be able to actually put that right into the door, and it's going to help you hold it up and line it up as well. As long as those are lined up, you're able to do that. Don't panic. If they're not lined up, do not womp that, or else you're gonna break things and just be sad, very sad. Because then you're out about 20 bucks in plastic rivets, which is just silly. And just like the top one, the bottom half also has these set pins here. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Sorry, this is kind of an awkward video, but I wanted to give you guys kind of like the full idea of what you're getting into here. It's not nearly as hard as I'm probably making it look right now. So, you know, coordination's not all there. All right, and that's that. Very quick, very easy, very simple. I hope you guys like this video. If you want to see more stuff, please comment below, and I'm happy to take requests. The Hummer is my personal vehicle, so anything with that, for the most part, I can stop, drop, and show you as long as I have a minute. As far as it goes with other vehicles, I do happen to have a lot coming in here all the time, so just let me know what you guys are thinking for. And also, like and subscribe. Thank you.